Today I'm going to show you how to turn on a child safety lock on a Hyundai Sonata. So if we open the door, what you'll see right here, this is your lock. So if it's in this position to the left, it's unlocked, and if it's to the right, it's locked. So to lock this, what we're going to want to do is you can take a flathead screwdriver, or you could just use a key and turn it to the lock position. Then if you were to get into the car, even though that this is unlocked, I can't get out from the inside. I would have to reach outside the window to unlock this, or have somebody go outside the car. So with the child safety locks on, someone has to open it from the outside. Now to turn this back off and have it so that you can open the door from the inside, all you would do is take a flathead or a key and just turn to the left. Now you can go back inside the car, and now this opens. So that's how to use the child safety lock feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.